Today we are here with William Nozak, founder and CEO of Nozak Consulting and Search Hustle. How do you help people win in business every day through what you do at your consulting firm?
One, I know all of the tools, from email marketing to content writing to reels, videos, long-form content, short-form content, ads, programmatics, Facebook remarketing, geo-targeting. Where we end as a digital marketing company is where traditional marketing is. Television, we do some television, the Hulu ads and things like that. That's really been traditional marketers with mailers, door hangers, collaterals that you might hang out. That's traditionally been the billion-dollar industry. We've been in this sliver that's been growing, the digital marketing, just because, we're all fairly young, I guess, these days. Just every year you're not, but digital is still pretty young. And we've just been right there in the digital part of things. So I know all of those components, or most of them. I'm sure every day there's some new way to get more buyers or users. We then take a look at a company's avatar. Who are they trying to attract? What do they know about their users? Do you even have an avatar? Do you even know who converts on your website? Do you even know if any of your Facebook posts actually attract real buyers and that actually get into your pipeline and convert? Or is it just a vanity metric and it's what we've always done and we don't know anything about those users really at the end of the day? We try to take what the client knows, and then we say, cool, you've got this rock on the pipeline. Now, there are other pieces of the pipeline that are untested, but they're not in for your business. They're untested, but they're not unproven. They help businesses every day get more leads and more clients. Why haven't we tested them and put them in play? Are they going to match up with what's bringing us leads and clients today? Absolutely not, because that's a proven marketing piece. Now, how can it overlap that one that we're using and also touch people in a new way or touch new people? That's what we want to add to the pipeline, our digital marketing pipeline, all the tools that are available to us, whether that's emailing clients 3 months after they've seen us because we know they should be using us 3 months later, 6 months later if you're a carpet cleaning company, sending an email or a SMS message to people thanking them for using us with a review. It's a no-brainer for bigger brands, or creating content, monthly content or bi-monthly content that wins in Google, because we know there's a lot of DIYs out there in our industry, and they're first going to try to learn and read and get knowledge. Like before you go to a doctor, a lot of people are going to go read WebMD. That is a part of the journey. Can I first outlast this? Can I learn myself? Can I get something over the counter? Now I need a doctor. So can we be in those places? Can we add content writing to our strategy, even though we notoriously have never? Can we add advertising? Why would we? We haven't needed to this point. Our company hasn't had to use 3%, 5%, 10% on advertising. Well, look, if your competitors are using it, you're making their leads way cheaper than they should be. You're making growth for them so much cheaper than it should be. The ads companies, Google, and the others that sell ads, it's market forces. It's a bidding war. If no one's bidding against you, you get all the ads and all the cheap ads. If they're bidding against it, there's a reason. There's a reason, because there's certain words that are at the bottom of the funnel are going to convert users. We have to at least put money against that, raise that cost, see what's there, and it has to be tested over time, over seasons, over ad spend budgets. Looking what the competitors do, what they aren't doing. It's continuous. It's never ending. When you get it tweaked out, the competitors catch up, and all of a sudden your conversion rates go down, and you got to flip-flop the strategy. There's another piece that we have to look at. Same thing all the way down the pipeline. I know the tools. When a client comes in or a potential client comes in, I look at what tools they're using. I look at what tools they're not. I know right away. I look at their website, what traction it has, what conversion rates are, what the bounce rates are, how how fast is it? What social media user they're using, not using. And then I try to devise a plan to fill the gaps for them. Obviously, if they're a business owner and they're doing some of it, they should do none of it. They should do very little of it. They should, if you're a business owner, the whole hope is to run a business that works for you, you not for it. And so to scale, you have to have people that can do things because you really need to run the business. If you're running the business and you're a marketer, that's really how I got here. I turned my company into a marketing company, and started hiring professionals. I did it all myself at first. You always have to, usually, in many cases. And so we talked to them about relinquishing some of those controls on us so that they can do other things. Or hire a marketer, have them do certain things, and have us fill those gaps. Now, it, of course, depends upon budget. And then we're going to live with you in that space and see what works, and see what some click-through rates are, see what some traction changes are. And over time, every time, they either increase the amount of money from a percentile perspective, or there's other things wrong with their business, and their business just sucks anyway. Marketing isn't necessarily going to cause you to lose. It's always it is a necessary in America to do marketing.
That's good.